There are a lot of videos on YouTube on stress management and handling stress in organization, in personal life, but none of these videos focus on practicality, on first defining what is stress, what are levels of stress, so that the people who are watching, they decide where they stand on stress level, at personal level, at organization level, and then they decide a solution. So in this lecture, I will try to do so. First of all, we need to define the stress and stress management so that we are on the same page. Stress management refers to the techniques and strategies used to control a person's stress level and improve overall well-being. A person's First we need to identify what is his stress level, and then we need to identify that how we can control to ensure his well-being. This is called stress management. What is stress? Stress is body's response to physical, mental, or emotional pressure or demand. Types of stress, there are basically four types of stress. First is acute stress, that is for short term. Second is chronic stress, that is for long term. And eustress is positive stress that push us to do something. Maybe you are stressed about your financial situation, you learn how to earn more. You are stressed about educational career, you learn how to learn more. You're stressed about kids, you communicate with them, you try to resolve issues with them. This is eustress. This is positive stress. Distress means negative stress. You are stressed about something, you cannot do anything. You are stressed about something, you are not doing anything. So this is called distress. We further explain these. The common causes of the stress are academic pressure, workload, financial issues, personal relationship. These are four common causes of the stress. Signs and symptoms of the stress, when people can say that we are in stress. The first thing is they suffer in anxiety, fatigue, irritability, and poor concern, poor communication health. You will become when you are in stress. So effects of the stress, three things happen: health problem, reduced productivity, emotional imbalance. And stress and performance have a direct relationship. That moderate stress can improve performance, excessive stress reduces the effectiveness. So if you have moderate stress, maybe you start working and performance improves. If you have excessive stress, it impacts your long term results, the outcomes. Stress management techniques, there are basically four things. Time management, you need to learn which thing is priority, and then you focus on the priority things so that you reduce your stress. And for this, we have a complete lecture of time management. You can listen on our channel. Relaxation techniques, you can relax, you can sleep. There are physical exercises, and then there is positive thinking. You can always tell your brain that this I'm thinking negatively, things can go positive. It is often said that in our thoughts, when we suffer, nobody can heal us except us. So we have to be positive. When it comes to the time management for stress, we have to prioritize our tasks to reduce the pressure and overload. The things, there is a table in our time management lecture. I will not explain it here. You can go to my YouTube channel and search time management by Dr. Farooq Baloch. You will find that there are methods that which task is important, which task should be resolved so that you get things done. Relaxation techniques are deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness. And when we talk about exercise, it is about regular exercise, help release tension and improve mood. Walk can be the best way doctors recommend mostly. Healthy lifestyle habits are the balanced diet, the adequate sleep, avoiding substance abuse. Emotional coping strategies can be social support, discussion with others, with your close ones, expressing emotions, and obviously counseling is a solution. Stress management for students is exam stress control, study life balance, self control is important for the students. And when it comes to professionals, they must do work life balance, burnout prevention, and improve the productivity. Now, if we are getting the results, we get less stress. The problem happen at work when we do not get the results, when we are not giving time to the family. So we need to focus on work life balance. In digital work, we can say that people have screen fatigue all the time, sitting on screen. Maybe in a short while you can get up and move around. When your work involves working, staying all the time on the computer, then isolation is a big problem in this digital world. People do not have real friends. The thing can be talking to family, And obviously, work overemphasis also can cause in the in digital stress. Rule of organization stress management. Organization mostly have supportive culture. I worked in telecom for 12 years. We used to have the sports room. We used to have the relaxation room. So the companies are offering employee well-being programs. Organization, if you're owner of some company, introduce these programs to reduce stress of your employees. Common stress management mistakes people make are ignoring stress or poor coping habits. Benefits of effective stress management: better health, improved focus, and obviously emotionally you become better if you handle the stress in better way. So the key things we learned: that stress is manageable, awareness is the key. We must understand why we are stressed so that we resolve it accordingly, and healthy habits always lead to stress management. If you learned this section, if you learned anything from this lecture, please tell me in the comment section. Is stress always harmful? What do you think? Which techniques work best for you? Thank you so much.